Good morning, team. Starting with the first stock of the day, we're looking at FRC. This is one of the banks that basically went from 137 down towards $17. RSI got extremely oversold, and we basically started to bounce from 17, and now we're at $49. Want to continue to watch this since it does have a lot of potential for upside, especially if people were wrong about it. So definitely want to see if we get a bounce from 55.73 that we could start basically filling up this potential gap towards 79. So a lot of money to be made on this stock. Make sure you guys watch out and set alerts on this one. To the downside, if we do start to come back down, watch for a break below the 20-day EMA, which is this blue line right here. So as soon as we start to break below that 20-day EMA, we want to watch for a break below at least 38, and then we could start going back down towards 17. So watch out for that. Right now, the MACD is crossed up, but anything can happen. Any news can affect the overall stock. You can see the 180-day is very oversold as well. So this may be, if there's no negative news coming back out for the stock, it could be a nice hold position for some potential upside. As you guys can see, within a few days, it was trading at 171, and now basically it's trading at $49 over here. So this is a good watch. Next stock we're going to talk about is Tesla. So Tesla was oversold, especially after that major sell-off. Tesla is actually still trapped in that range that we spoke about a few days ago. So Tesla needs to break above 180 before it can start pushing up towards 185. So watch out for that on Tesla. 180 has been a major resistance level for it. Sorry. And if we break 174, we could start basically going down towards 169 on Tesla. Right now, the MACD is crossed up. RSI has upside potential. Just need to break this major resistance zone because we could actually reject it and come back down. So watch out for that. Jumping down towards the 20-day chart over here, 20-day, you can see kind of very clearly that Tesla's been chopping around. Even with that overall sell-off yesterday, Tesla has been basically going sideways. So that is a key sign, right? Whenever you guys see a stock drop and go sideways, that is a sign of support. So hopefully Tesla starts to push back up. Let's see. If not, we're day traders. We could take advantage of it a little bit earlier from that 174 down towards 169. Maybe we could get back towards 163. Overall, 20-day and 180-day are crossed in a bullish position. So I'm leaning more on the bulls with this one. So let's see what happens. Anything could change in the market. Never want to have an overall bias in the market. Come into the market with an empty mind. Same situation for SPY. This is SPY 20-day, 1 hour. You can see we had a drop, kind of going sideways, trapped between that 390 and that 385 level. CPI data just came out flat or just as expected. So we're getting a muted reaction from the overall market. Main thing we want to watch today from the SPY, we want to see if we break above 390, then we can start pushing up towards 392. 392 is the 1-year SMA, which can act as a major rejection point, right? So we definitely want to be careful going long into the SPY around the 392 to the 394 zone and even the 396. So as a day trader, you definitely want to basically trade in between the gaps that are basically safer for you. So that's what I'm looking for. We could probably get from 390 to 392, but definitely going to be cautious over here. SPY is at a resistance level. This 390 and 20 cents has been resistance and support, a breakout zone. So this 390 and 20 cents, definitely want to be cautious over here to see if we clearly break above it, hold it, and then we start pushing up. If not, look for a downtrend around 387. Then we can start going to 384 and then retesting those 380s. Right now, the MACD is crossed up on the 20-day, trying to go into divergence. So let's see what happens over here. It's either it's going to get rejected, come down, kind of like what happened over here, or it's going to go into it, and then we could have a nice uptrend. So watch out for that. Jumping over towards the 180-day. 180-day, you can see we're finding some type of support. These are 4-hour candles. A lot of support around this 384 zone. So want to see if we break 384 today or even the next few days. 384 could be a major support. In order, if we break that, we could start basically going back down towards those 380s. So definitely want to watch to see that, and then watch out for those the long positions we called out, that 390 to 392. MACD is crossed up in a bullish position for now. RSI is more in the oversold position. So now that we looked at the smaller charts, what is the 1 year doing, right? What is the 1 year doing? 1 year is oversold. So zooming out, big picture, every time we get oversold, they seem to find some type of bounce, right? It seems to come back up, right? So one thing you want to do is, this is one sign of upcoming bullishness. Second sign is going to be a hold above the EMA, right? Oversold, right? You want it to hold above the EMA, give you confirmation for that upward trend. Oversold, you want it to hold above the EMA, give you confirmation of that upward trend. Overbought, you want it to basically hold below the EMA. The candles hold below the EMA. EMA is this blue line that's following the stop. You want it to hold below the EMA, confirmation for bearish trend. So right now, we're in the beginning stages for a possible reversal on the overall market. You guys heard it here first, so make sure you guys like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. We are oversold. The bear market could be coming to an end. So let's see what happens. Doesn't mean that we can't continue to come down, but we're getting toward the oversold side. And as you guys know, as soon as we get oversold on the RSI, we could possibly have some upward trend coming within the next month or two, especially looking at the 1 year. So make sure you guys take advantage of these low prices on a lot of stocks. Look at the 1 year for a lot of stocks, even like Tesla, even other stocks. Tesla still has a little bit to go, but it's getting oversold very quick. So let's see what happens. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.